I worked night shifts at a rundown emergency broadcast center. For years, it was mindless, fixing antennas, cables, power issues. Same routine. Then the tests changed. Normally, the alert tone has 3 beeps, but I started hearing 4. It was quiet, almost hidden in the static. I only noticed it because I was watching the sound patterns on a screen. I thought it might just be a signal glitch and reported it. No one replied. It kept happening, only during weekly tests, never during real alerts. Still, 4 beeps. Then came the subtones. Beneath the alerts, there were rising, layered sounds, almost like a voice underwater. I ran a spectrogram and slowed one down. It sounded alive. Not language, not noise, something in between. I logged it again. This time, I got a reply from the chief engineer. Just 2 words, stop digging. That night, the power failed. When the backup kicked in, one monitor stayed black. I checked inside the tower. No circuits, no fan, just thick, pulsing black fluid. Moving. I didn't log that one. Last Friday, the test ran again. For beeps. But this time, the subtones spoke. I played it back, over and over, until I understood. A whisper. Help us. I traced the origin of the signal. It wasn't our center, not our state, not our planet. It didn't come from Earth.